How to remove text from a video on CapCut PC. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove text from a video on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you quick through this video. Simply go ahead and open up CapCut. Now here, if you have any text added, right? So for instance, within the application, if you had added the effect and you wish to remove it, so if you have a text added within the video and you wish to edit it or remove it, then you can simply right click on it, and without deleting it, you can simply deactivate the clip. So simply tap on the particular text on the timeline and then deactivate it, and now you can see it'll be removed. However, if you wish to remove a particular text that is already on the video beforehand, then that can be quite complicated, right? So what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and select the part. Now in my case here, I am just using the image as a reference, but you want to select and go ahead and split the part or select the part where on the video the text is not there, right? So then you want to simply go ahead and drag it above on your timeline. You want to make sure it is above. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to select the area above, and then go ahead and simply use the crop ratio option here. Simply go to the top bar and open up the crop ratio, and you can use it and go ahead and use it here using the blend mode. So this is how you can easily remove text from video on CapCut PC. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.